Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the US state of Minnesota, but we assist customers from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. One of the services that our customers most frequently ask us about is putting a demo device back into a usable state. So pretty much all manufacturers have specific sets of devices that they manufacture specifically for use as demo devices, so in their own retail stores or wireless carrier stores to demonstrate to customers when they come in shopping for a device. So it obviously demonstrates the features of the device and how it works and everything, but those are kept separate from the regular devices that are packaged up in retail boxes for consumer use. So they are usually disabled in some way, or they have some features that don't allow them to be used as a normal cellular device if you were to actually buy one from the store. Now, here with us today, we happen to have a Samsung Galaxy Fold 2. So it's the one that folds outward like this with the dual screen. And this is a device that was used as a demo device in a Samsung retail store. And one of the unique characteristics about those is that those devices have no IMEI number. So we can see here in the settings, the IMEI just shows up as all zeros, and that is a classic indication of a device that was used as a demo device. And this device will not allow for any cellular connection in its current state, because when you insert a SIM card, your SIM card communicates the IMEI number to the network, and that's how it identifies and registers the device, and the network simply will not grant any service to a device that has an IMEI of all zeros. So it has to have a valid IMEI number on it. So these devices tend to get sold or recycled after they've run their course in the retail store once they're done being used as a demo, and so they pop up a lot on sites like eBay and other online sites being sold for usually pretty cheap prices, and so you'll have a lot of people picking them up hoping that there's a quick and fast way to get them fixed and have them converted into an actual usable device. And so we're making this video today to show everyone that we do have a way to write a valid IMEI number to this specific device so that it can be used normally with regular cellular service. The procedure of doing that is something that we do directly to the device while it is plugged into a computer, and the great thing about it is that it's something that can be done for just about anyone, anywhere in the world. So you don't necessarily need to be located here in our local area in order for us to be able to do this for you. You would just need to have a decently powerful Windows computer along with a fast internet connection, and we can remotely connect right to your computer through the internet to do the same procedure that we did here with this one. So actually, before starting the video, we had already done 99% of the work necessary to put a valid IMEI number on the phone. We just left it in place before the last step so that you guys could actually visually see the proof that this is indeed possible. Now that the phone is restarted, the changes that we did will be applied, and so we can go ahead and go back into the settings. And when we go under About Phone, now we do see that there is a valid IMEI number there. So an IMEI has been written to it, and it's all set to go for use as a regular cellular device. Now, this specific device here, just in case you were doubting, as we see here, we have the Galaxy Z Fold 2, and then that model number there, the F916U1. That's the model number that Samsung sells directly from them, already SIM unlocked and ready for use on pretty much all carriers without any carrier bloatware or anything like that. So again, that's the model that Samsung sells directly through their stores and their websites. So if you have one of these Fold 2s with an IMEI of all zeros that was a demo device and would like to get a valid IMEI written to it for regular cellular use, we would love to help you out with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be right down in the video description, and we'll also put a slide at the end of the video that has all of the details there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out some of the other videos that we have on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for a lot of different devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy one day. Hitting that subscribe button while you're there will enable you to be notified of all of the new videos and services that we're constantly adding and putting up, just like we're doing with this one. Y para todos ustedes hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes también nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and have a great rest of your day.